That's fish, and it's a big one. That's a big one, guys. That is a big one. That's a good fish. Come on, fish. He is digging. Look at that, spinning my kayak around. Oh, strong, strong, strong. Look at that, I'm going for a ride. This is a medium heavy rod. Oh, he's coming up, he's coming up. Let's keep him down. Keep the pressure on. My goodness, this is a strong fish. He surfaced, but I didn't see him. Come on, fish. Oh, he's coming up. He just made a big boil right there. Oh, gosh. He's worn out, I think. Oh, goodness sakes, folks. Oh, is this my 5-pounder? My goodness, look at the head on this thing. Yeah, that's 5.